This video starts with a little bit of a backstory.
The Mexican Smash Burger. Ich bin sehr, 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 sehr gespannt. Ist vom Kanal Beer.
The backstory begins with a Mexican-inspired smash burger that I created, and then a German chap did a reaction video of him watching my Mexican smash burger video.
Großes Bier. Ja, great. Ja, großes Bier wäre natürlich, genau, ein großes Bier ist das. Sehr.
And it's all in German, and I had no idea what they were saying, and it was wonderful. And I put the subtitles on, and in the subtitles, needless to say, YouTube struggled a bit.
Denn sehr geil. Gleich sofort Abo geben, Leute. Alleine für die Kameraführung. Mega.
And it was quite interesting to watch the subtitles with their reactions because at one point I think that he said it was horny beef. Horny beef. I invited Chef John, the executive chef from the Skunk and Goat Tavern, to help me create the German-inspired smash burger. Welcome.
Welcome. Hey, thanks. I appreciate it. It's a beautiful day.
As you can see, we've got the smoker going because at Chef John's restaurant, they make their own smoked sausages, bratwursts.
We play around with the bratwurst, yeah, but we do regular sausages and stuff. This was an experiment.
Oh.
Jiggly.
It's got a good jiggle. We've got the smoker going. We've got pecan wood chips on charcoal briquettes. We're going to add some German beer to the grill. So I found some beautiful German beers. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right now. I took 3 years of German.
Sorry.
I can count to 10.
Bonjour.
But the teacher was wonderful. We've got a Weizenbock, and then I've got a Weihenstephaner. The Weizenbock's gonna go in the grill, and we're also gonna use this to make a beer braised cabbage. And then the Doppelbock is going to be used for beer cheese.
Sounds delicious.
Yes. So, all right, let's get
work.
this rolling. So let's go ahead and get these on because we got a lot of work to do here. Look at the crown on that beer bottle. I'm gonna save it. That smells lovely. And we're just gonna let these smoke while we get everything else going. Low and slow is the way. This is the way. So we're just using a stand-up mandolin.
This is handy. Yeah, because, in the restaurant, you never have the thing. Like, they come with this safety thing that you stick on there, and then that gets lost, right? Dishwasher loses it, gets thrown in the garbage. And then eventually you're, like, using your palm of your hand, and you're like, I know. And then someone talks to you, and you're like, oh, my Lord. I think we can add some beer. Simmer real low.
These are just 70-30 balls. Woohoo!
They're sizzling. Take a little looky. The whole thing about a burger is caramelization. Lots more oil. All right. That's why you wear an apron.
I think it is best to leave these smashes a little more on the thicker side, exactly like you're doing. Just because, I want a big bite of beef. You know what I mean?
You're gonna get one.
While that's cooking, let's get the beer cheese on them. Number one, it'll warm up the beer cheese, but I also want to see if, just like a normal mash burger, I can get a fried cheese skirt built up around it. Look at that. I'm gonna say yes, it's going to work. Oh, yeah. Oh my, that is pretty.
I can't stop watching it. I think we'll put it right on top. Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. The moose star.
I mean, you want that. The perfect skirt.
Hey, hey. Look at that cat. It looks good now. Yeah, that came together really good.
It doesn't have a choice but to be good. It's just crazy.
It's like a monument.
And what kind of steel are we using? German steel.
Guten Tag.
That is love.
I feel alive.
Are you ready for your German-inspired smash burger?
I don't know if I'm ready, but I'm gonna give it a shot.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good Lord. That's happiness. You know, you may not feel happy later. I'm gonna go for this skirty, and
I have a little skirt. It's definitely one of those lean burgers.
that's really well balanced.
Beer? It is. It's really well balanced. And nothing is overpowering the other thing.
No, honestly, I think it needed the brown mustard, or the spicy mustard.
No, and the roll is really good too.
Yeah, the roll is really good.
No, that was a good bite.
Let's take one more bite, and then we'll talk about the the contest that you're.
Beer cheese, killer.
It is so good. But the beef.
The beef's great.
The beef is awesome. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'm inviting my son and his friend upstairs to finish these for us.
It's a good idea. It's safe.
Yeah,
It's a safe plan.
What kind of burger contest do you want to do at the Skunk and Goat?
You know, I think what would be great is this was kind of a mad scientist burger. All your burgers are kind of a mad
They
scientist.
get there, yeah.
But maybe people have their own kind of burgers that they would want to see.
Okay.
Right? My proposition is people like, but then comment, and then tell us what kind of burger, what's your crazy burger? You know, what's your ideas?
Okay.
What's your crazy combination? And I think if we get enough people, enough interaction, we'll filter through them and we'll pick one of those burgers.
I like it.
And I'll run it as a feature at the Skunk and Go Tavern.
There you have it.
Have your own burger. We'll label
The
it.
Have Your Own Burger contest.
Mike Smith Burger.
Now, what if they want this burger? You're not going to make this burger?
Let's just see what happens.
Okay, because I might write this one in.
All right.
Like, thank you for coming.
I appreciate it.
And on your day off and cooking, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Salute the German-inspired smash burger.
Very good. That is good. It's tasty.
What all is in it?
Just go ahead and try a bite.
Yeah, pretty good. I don't know what's in it. Oh my god.
It's good though, right?
Uh-huh.
Beer cheese.
Beer cheese, cabbage, and sausage.
You wouldn't know the cabbage is even in there. I'm just saying.
Dom's never even tasted cabbage. This is his first time tasting cabbage.
Sure about that?
I'm sure.
Sauerkraut?
It is going everywhere.
You gonna put this on the menu?
Look at that fried cheese skirt hanging off of it.
Eat that.
You got it. That's the best part.
Do you want me to help you clean up?
No, man, I got it.
You sure?
Yep.